Sometimes on Instagram, you may have created an Instagram AI chat, and in that AI chat, there'll be a profile photo. If you want to save that profile photo to your phone, you can do that. In this video, we'll tell you how to do it. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, here you can see the message button. Click on this message button. When you click on that, above you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you click on that, here you can see AI chats. Click on AI chats. When you click on that, you'll reach AI Studio, and here you can see your AIs. Under that, you can see every AI chat that you have created. For example, I'm selecting this chat. After that, here you can see a settings like button. Click on this button. When you click on that, here you can see a pencil-like button next to that profile photo. Click on that. When you click on that, you can see the profile photo, and here you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. And here you can see the save option. Click on save. When you click on that, that photo will be saved to your phone's gallery. After this, if you go to your phone's gallery, you can see that photo there. Now this is the photo that I have saved. So this way, you can easily save the profile photo from an Instagram AI chat created by you to your phone's gallery. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.